Number 6 says, a patient has an order for nitroglycerin 6 mLs per hour by volumetric pump. The solution strength is 50 mg per 250 ml. How many mcg per minute are being infused? So we have the rate, but the rate is in mLs per hour, and they want it to be in mcg per minute. So we need to convert from a liquid form to a powdered form, as well as change the time frame from hours to minutes. So I'm first going to set up a proportion with my rate and the solution strength. And I'm going to put the 6 mLs on the bottom so that they match the 250 mLs. And I'm going to solve the proportion, and we get 1.2, and this is milligrams per hour. Okay, so we're almost there. We have it in milligrams per hour. So the first thing I want to do is convert it to micrograms. So if I move the decimal place over 3 places, it's 1200 micrograms per hour. Then I need to change the time frame. So I want to convert it from hours to minutes. And I'm going to do that by dividing by 60. And we get 20 mcg per minute.